Hi, I am Nils Freyer, Associate Director in Software Engineering in BCG Gamma. I am based in Paris and I am working there since 2018. As an Associate Director in Software Engineering at BCG Gamma, I am working on multiple types of projects. I would say the common denominator is to work at scale. Every data science project starts with a quick prototype. When we gather a little bit of data, we find the right algorithm, machine learning, optimization, or probably a mix of that. But my role is really to be able to go at scale, in production. We want to leverage our data scientists and business consultants to be able to create the value. So all the data scientists are working with all our engineers to be able to really give life to our projects. Along the last few years, I work in different industries, from airline, finance, pharmaceutical, fashion even, to really be able to give life to this type of projects. As software engineer at BCG Gamma, we work with so many different tools. Of course, when we talk about data science, we are thinking about Python and few very common language. But it's so much more than that. When you need to put in production this type of project, you will need to work with infrastructure, with cloud technologies. So of course, we can see it, for example, Terraform and few other keywords like that. But I would say the key for all our software engineers is to be flexible, to be able to learn any new technology on the fly. If your client is on-premise, of course, you will be fairly limited in terms of new, very fancy technology. Still, we need to be able to answer to this type of requirements. Most of the time, of course, we will use all the new, very interesting technologies, and our engineers are learning a lot with, for example, Kubernetes. We are using Docker in, if not all the projects, most of them. One of the key motivations to work at BCG is the capability to first work in so many different industries. Every project is totally different, not only, of course, in the industries, but the technology used, etc. Of course, data science related, still the landscape is very large. And of course, one of the big arguments is to work directly with executive people. From the first week at BCG, I was directly involved with C-level at our client organization, and it's a key differentiator, of course, when you can work at this level. After a little bit more than 1 decade of experience on being graduated from Epitech in Paris as a software engineer, I was able during my career to discover a lot of stuff, being, for example, CTO of my own company. Since 4 years after joining BCG, I realized being in this type of environment, it's like creating startups one after each other. Every project is different and every project is full of challenge. I joined BCG as a senior consultant and very quickly got promoted, and now I'm associate director. And in front of me, I still have a lot of opportunity to grow in the management area, to work with my team and my clients, and of course being still close and hands-on in the technology, what is very deeply interesting for me.